You know, I can hear the birds in the background. What a beautiful day, I gotta say.
It is.
How many years has it been since we've been able to sit together and do an unboxing video?
Oh gosh, forever.
Geez, from this angle, I look huge.
God, you look so
You look
young.
like Piper Perry. Oh, I am young, actually. And, you know, and we got to make sure this isn't deemed as made for kids. And you know, it's clearly make. Could you do me a favor and lift up your leg there before we do on this unboxing? How about a little unzipping? Bingo, bingo. It is a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Beautiful day?
Well, you're here. Now everything is beautiful.
Oh, thanks. So are you.
I can see all the green grass is starting to happen. And you know what else is green? The logo of one of my favorite truck companies. What do I get to say it's one of my favorites because they sent it to us today?
You can say whatever the hell you want.
We've been working with AXiAL for how long? Do you remember when
Over a decade.
SCX10 honcho came with the RC Spark sticker on the decal pack?
Yep, in 2010.
From all the work that we've done with them, well, now we get to have a look at the brand new AXiAL SCX10 III, the classic Bronco, because you have Candy. There was no way we couldn't get the new Broncos that are out. Shall we start slicing into them?
May I? Tight. May I? Oh my god.
Oh, I got it. It's good.
Fine. Let me get that one little.
No, you took all the fun out of it.
I took all the fun out of it. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Should have had a race.
Dun,
The
dun.
stop clock.
Which one did you get?
Oh.
I have the... I have the white one. It says right on the end.
Oh.
There's so much to look at.
Yeah.
Okay, so all waterproof, guys. Everybody knows this. Thank you to AXiAL for sending these out to us to look at for you guys. They know that we've got this big property with lots of creeks and trails. We just started building the new scale park. And with the creek running through it, we definitely needed something waterproof and reliable. This is my second AXiAL SCX10 III. I did have the Jeep, and it's still rolling. So we wanted to have a couple of these that could be around in case anybody wanted to come by, like our neighbors or whatever. Give us a hand. Have a couple of these sitting out. Woo! Oh, it made me wanting more. So oddly satisfying.
Do mine, do mine.
Dude, the color in the sun.
This is how cars should look with the
Holy
color.
cow.
Ready?
That is popping, yeah. And it's a nice... It's a beautiful, nice plastic. It's not like this crinkly crap. It's like this kind of sticky rubber, yeah? Dude, it totally matches your outfit. Well, as a man, I think it matches your...
You know, my soul tells me what color to wear.
Ta-da! Oh, you know, I bet you it's not deep enough for the legs. Where is your leg? Oh, come on, quit smooching over here.
Oh.
Here you go. Got these guys apart. Can you slide her in? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, she'll probably need a booster seat.
An extension on the arms, possibly. Can my dude fit in?
Or even just move the seat up just a smooth. Oh, I guess. No, she just needs like a little phone book. Remember back in the day, people used to sit on phone books when they would...
Yeah, my legs are... Yeah. Oh, look at this.
Dude, you look great.
I could move up the steering wheel a bit, but you know what, guys? Here, I actually thought it needed a deeper floor, and it could use just a little bit more, but you know what?
Mine looks like she stole her car from her dad.
Dude, that's the way it should be. Looks like I'm dating a high school student, for Christ's
she's in
sakes.
college, it's fine.
She's always in college. Dude, now we get to take these out on the trail.
Oh, the new trail?
So hidden body pins, right? One here. For anybody that hasn't seen these before,
underneath the bumper.
One. This is where they keep them out of the way.
That's brilliant. Thank you.
Yes, that's one thing that my wife hates is the nemesis of body pins.
You put up top, like no car
All four. So I'm undoing the lights. You can see the light kit, it's done there already to the pre-back. I love the fact that the lights are pre-done. Here's a capacitor to stop any spikes in power. This servo is for the dig. It comes set up out of the box with it comes set up with the dig. It has a 2-stage transmission that you can set it up for. Do you know what a dig is?
I do know what a dig is.
Aha, what is a dig?
It's when the back tires lock up so that it's like almost like an anchor point so that the front of the car can
pivot.
Yeah, pivot.
That's
around.
right.
Yeah.
So it's set up right now on, I'm assuming, unless they've changed it, this will be the button right here for the dig. You'll be able to lock out that back axle, and then when she'll be able to turn either way, super simple. It just gives you a tighter turning radius.
Sorry, where was that?
Right here.
Oh, great.
Kaboom, kaboom.
Hey, what's this for?
That is your snorkel. Are you happy to see me? I love that they can move it.
Hilarious.
That's how I feel about getting these 2 trucks today.
That's worth it today. So let's do 2 battery mounts.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah. You can adjust the size of the batteries as well. Yeah. I like it. Metal links, same metal links. And it's a large AXiAL logo on the front. Waterproof servo.
1.9 Falcons.
Yes, 1.9 size tires. These are 3-piece bead locks, but I'll tell you what, this is actually the 4th piece right here.
That's awesome.
Yeah, this is the one that spins off. Don't you love that already?
Oh, one last tool to have.
Well, no, it's just a cover.
Agreed, but
it just doesn't look like it's an open
I
nut
like that.
now. Yeah.
Oh, I want that on my real one.
Dun, dun.
May I?
Yes, please do. Gorgeous. All of the above, and I can fit Mini Medic in there, so I'm actually very, very, very surprised and pleased.
So just for the viewers out there, it's how big is, so not it's a 36 turn motor?
It is a 35 turn brushed motor.
Brushed motor.
Yeah, and it is an ESC and receiver combo in one. Some people like that, some people don't. If you just want like a regular controller to go out, look what's on your controller that you didn't have before.
Wait,
yes,
no way!
Just point it out. People know what it is, but
look at this.
Maybe new viewers haven't. Yes. What is that for, babe?
It helps you steer with one hand, so you have one hand free and one hand. I love
Correct.
efficiency. Look at this.
So your old DRX, your Spectrum, your DRX4 wasn't your old one. You couldn't even reach it with your thumb, could you?
No, there was no possibility. Doesn't matter how big.
Why would people want to steer with their thumb? Can you give me an example?
To have a drink, to film.
To film, camera in one hand.
Wave to people, to be nice.
Just to be lazy.
Hold your map.
Jason Hoy from HoyFab Crawlers actually did this years ago. It was the first Velcro. He called it the All Thumbs. And he sent one to me, and I told him at that time, dude, everyone is going to have this because
my full range of motion, dude. Like this is
full
a
range.
invention.
Absolutely, yeah. And you can see the trigger is even different thickness there, so you can actually get your finger behind it, no problem at all.
To all the moms out there, this is brilliant. We all have things that we can do with only one hand.
Fingering?
Anything.
Triggering.
If you got one extra hand, that's brilliant. That doubles everything.
Efficiency, nice, times
Just
2.
went up 50%.
Efficiency squared. Jem, you and I have been pioneers of this 10th scale hobby for a very long time in the trail side of it, yeah? Can you believe the amount of improvements we've seen? Do you remember making wheel wells out of Gorilla Tape?
Oh, God, yeah.
So we wouldn't get mud on the inside? Remember taking apart servos and trying to waterproof them with marine grease and Plastidip or Corrosion X because they just didn't make them?
Yeah, and then I remember seeing cars dipped in Plastidip and I'm like, ooh.
Yes.
Yeah. Lots have changed.
Geez, and it's great to see the bead locks are here. And I know it's all dark, but look at all this. Like, this is all preventing all the mud and everything from getting splashed up into your ride. Even though if you go in the mud, it's still going to get up there. But now you can put wheel well lights in here. You have opening doors. You have a spare tire for when you need all the spare tire changes out on the flat tire.
Scale, like a full scale.
We should probably get a
How
jack.
many times have we changed our tires on our rigs?
Right?
In the middle of
because of a flat tire.
So useless. You know what you'd be hauling with that? Like paper
It's
towels.
a scale accessory.
You can take this to the grocery store.
If I was at a scale truck competition, I would get points for the extra tire
what else
back
you get
there.
points for? A full set of groceries. You get more points for groceries because each bag counts for 1 point. One tire, 1 point. You have a whole Costco trip, you got like 10,000 points.
So we've pretty much broken her with the new rides. We're gonna start learning about these even more. Maybe take them a rip around. If you guys want to leave us a like, click because you want to see us take this out on the trails, let us know. Smash the button down below. Go ahead, be notified, and you'll find us in the next RC adventure. Thanks guys for checking it out, and we'll see you next time.
Woo!
Bye.
Bye. Each bag, like if I took this thing out and put in like 20 things, I would have 20 points. The mathematics is sound.
I agree with you, but they would look at the groceries as one scale point because it's groceries, unless they were separate individual bags.
Yes, like toilet paper, and then you had like a meat bag, and then you had a cooler bag.
I don't know.
Costco.
Some people are pretty sticky about
Ladies,
this
you gotta hear it.
thumbnail photo.